Do you want to like a note on Instagram? You can like someone's notes in Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to like a note on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Liking a note on Instagram is a way to show your appreciation for a short text update posted by someone you follow. Before you start, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed, and this feature might not be available in your country or in your accounts. To like someone's notes in Instagram? First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on the Instagram home screen, tap on the message icon located in the top right corner. You can also swipe left the home screen to open direct messages. At the top of the direct messages, you will see notes from people you follow. These appear as small text updates above their profile pictures. To like a note, tap on the note you want to react. A message box will appear where you can reply to the note. In the right side of the text input field, look for a heart icon. If the Note Like feature is available in your account, this heart icon will be visible. Now, tap on the heart icon to like the specific note. You can also like a note by double tapping on it directly from your Notes section. Once you like a note, a heart icon will appear at the top of that specific note, indicating that you have liked it. By following these steps, you can like someone's notes on Instagram.